Hey, don't fall. As you can see, hi guys. It's Jace and Godwin. You know, right here in Istanbul, the weather is so cool.
So cold.
So
Wow.
cold. Can you show them?
Yeah.
You see, so cold, and we want to give you people a good video how a bad weather looks like, cold weather looks like in Istanbul. This is how we're gonna do this video. We're gonna walk our way to a park called Belgrade Park.
Yeah.
So we want to try this. It's about an hour walk to the park.
Yeah.
So come along with us. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Buses were not running due to the bad weather in Istanbul. So we decided to work, and it went on for about an hour. Along the way, we spotted broadcasters covering a report about the bad weather.
Hey guys, we are here live in Belgrade Forest. This is one of the largest park in Istanbul, Turkey. It's located at the adjacent of Istanbul, Turkey. This park has an historical event which took place in the time of the Byzantine era, which has the aqueduct place, and for the time of the Ottoman Empire, which has a dam in it. And this dam and all these places was about 150 years ago, which this event happened. And you guys should stay tuned and come along with us. Let's show you the rest of the park. As you can see, there's a lot of people at the park. We didn't expect this.
The forest name comes from the Belgrades brought by King Kanuni Sultan Suleiman on a Serbian expedition. The park was Istanbul's most important source of drinking water during Byzantine and Ottoman Empire times. Today, only a small amount is supplied to the city, and recreational functions for the residents are mainly utilized. Today, this Belgrade Forest was opened to the public in 1956, and a recreation area and picnic area, and offered to the people of Istanbul.
Yeah, as you can see, this is the Valide Sultan pond, and it's also a dam. You see the view here, so it's quite windy and cold. Wow, isn't it amazing?
When the walls are breaking down, when we're falling with our head on the ground, do you feel?
While exploring the forest, we got lost, perhaps due to the bad weather. Since we don't know what the weather is going to be, and we don't have much time to get good shots, we decided to cross the mountain, which we think is the fastest route.
When we hear it coming. When the heart is filled with
Fortunately, we were right. After passing a few hills and streams, we came to the pad we were looking for. Wow.
We hear it coming. On the surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming.
Hi guys, we are here. As you can see, we walk all through this bad weather. The weather is so bad. These are the worst condition. It's snowy and windy. So we are just walking through the park and the places which we went. And that's it. That's it, guys. Please, guys, stay tuned and watch all our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button and leave your comment on how you feel about this weather. And then never forget to please press the notification button in case we upload new videos so that you can get notified. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching our video. We love you all. Peace. We love you all.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.